Russia has increasingly used KUB-Kamikaze drones, also known as KUB-BLA drones, in the Ukraine conflict. These drones are produced by the Russian company ZALA Aero, a subsidiary of the Kalashnikov Group. Here's an overview of how these drones are being used. 1. Kamikaze Missions. The KUB drone is a loitering munition, meaning it can fly over a battlefield for extended periods, identify targets, and then crash into them, detonating its warhead. It is designed for precision strikes against enemy infrastructure, vehicles, and personnel. Once a target is selected, the drone dive bombs into it, making it a low-cost but effective suicide drone. 2. Coordinated attacks. Russia has been deploying these drones in swarms, sometimes in coordination with artillery or missile strikes. KUB drones are often used to target radar systems, artillery units, and anti-aircraft defenses, softening up Ukrainian defenses before larger attacks. 3. Stealth and precision. The KUB drone is small, has a low radar signature, and flies quietly, making it hard for air defenses to detect and intercept. With its relatively precise targeting capability, it allows Russian forces to hit key Ukrainian positions or high-value assets while avoiding indiscriminate strikes, which are riskier with larger, traditional bombs or missiles. 4. Psychological impact. The use of loitering drones like the KUB also creates a psychological burden on Ukrainian troops. The constant threat of these drones hovering over a battlefield can cause stress and anxiety, knowing that a small, silent drone could strike at any moment. 5. Tactical flexibility. KUB drones are relatively inexpensive and easy to produce compared to traditional guided missiles. Their use allows Russian forces to carry out precision strikes without committing expensive or larger aircraft, reducing the risk to manned missions and conserving higher-end weaponry. In summary, the KUB drones have become a significant tool for Russia's military operations in Ukraine, serving as a cost-effective method for targeted attacks and contributing to the strategy of wearing down Ukrainian defenses while avoiding larger-scale, high-cost engagements. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe.